All right, another home tour for you today. We're out in Addison Creek. This one's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,752 square feet. The neighbor is having a little bit of construction work done, so sorry about the noise, if you can even hear it at all. All right, it's built in 2021. Lots of really cool features. It is a 2-story, but the only thing upstairs is a game room, so that's actually a very desirable plan right now. A lot of people want that a use of a flex space, but they don't necessarily want to have a whole lot of house upstairs because they spend most of their time downstairs. So I get it. You got this gorgeous garage right here. 3-car, if I didn't say that already. I like the sconces, good colors. I like the white bricks. You know me, I'm not a huge fan of red bricks. There's just a lot of it in Oklahoma. This neighborhood is a lot of newer construction, so very pretty houses. Obviously, all the yards are mowed. Everyone keeps up their house nicely. So we'll head on in here and check it out. Broker's open happening, so it might be a little bit noisy, so bear with me. Right inside here, we got a nice entry with the popped ceiling, and then they've turned the office into a weight room with an extra sleeping spot for guests. But this is the office. I like the windows. You have closet space there, so it could be a bedroom if you need it to be. Stairs right here, you have a little drop zone. And then that's a coat closet right there. We'll head in the kitchen in a minute, but we're gonna swing this way and check out the rest of the house. Here's your garage. Loads of space. Step out here and show you the other bay there. So you do have a little bit of a recess there. So if you wanted to have a shop there, workbench, I mean, you could definitely do that. There's a little bit of a recess over there too, so you can definitely hang all of your tools, like they already have some hung up already. Moving along, we'll go this way. This, I believe, is just a linen closet. And then you do have a full bath right here off the 2 bedrooms. Obviously, kid's bedroom. We'll check out the closet. I haven't opened it, so bear with me. It could be packed. Oh, really not bad. Really not bad. Heading over here, you'll notice you do have the really nice floors throughout. Here's the other bedroom. I should say those are the vinyl planks, which if you've watched my other videos, you know. Everybody loves those because they're basically indestructible. And don't click away either. I know it hasn't been too exciting yet, but the master bathroom, ooh, you're in for a treat. What am I telling you? Let's head around this way. You do have kind of a coffee bar setup, microwave, huge kitchen, gas range, like the white cabinets, huge island, great for entertaining, obviously, so you can see there. You do have your washer and dryer here, which is a little bit quirky, but not a huge deal. Here is your formal dining. And then living space. I'll show you the backyard really quick before it rains, because it's looking a little cloudy. Good size yard if you have fur babies or kids. Room for the trampoline, all that stuff. You do have a little bit of side yard as well, which just gives you access to the air conditioner units. I think there's some on the other side, but I do have little booties on, so I don't want to walk through the grass. Let's head back on in and check out the primary bedroom. Real quick, before we head inside, if you're new here, my name's Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team here in Tulsa, serving, of course, Tulsa and the surrounding communities. So if you're thinking of making a move to the Tulsa area, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. On this channel, I share a lot of real estate content, home tours like this, as well as real estate tips and local content as well. So if you're thinking you want to learn more about the area and see what homes we have to offer here, this is the spot for you. So go ahead and subscribe for more content. With that though, let's head on in and check out this house. Here is that primary bedroom and the massive spa, luxurious. You got the garden tub. Your toilet is in here. I guess I can show you if you, it's a toilet. Huge tub. I like the white tiles. Gorgeous shower. Dual vanities. And Look at this closet. Oh, massive island. It does have drawers in it as well, but easy access to all of your clothing. So that way, you know, you're getting ready, go on vacation, a trip, whatever. Throw your suitcase up here, throw all your stuff in it. You do have more drawers here. Really great. This is a nice closet for this house. And it's not really, I mean, it's a luxury home, but it's not like you're spending, you know, $700,000 to $800,000. This one at the time of this video is only $535,000, so it's really not bad price for what you get. And we'll head upstairs and check that out. So upstairs here is just that game room. So obviously it's the kids' playroom. You have loads of space, and then there is also a walkout attic storage over here, which has a lot of stuff in it, but I'll show it to you. So all of that underneath of there is a landing. So loads of storage. With that though, let me know what you think about this house. I always love your feedback. And if I can ever be of assistance to you regarding real estate or just questions about living in Tulsa, reach out to me. And if you're thinking about making a move to the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, I would love to be your real estate resource. So share this video with a friend, like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.